Broccoli is more than just a superfood on the dinner table. It's a powerhouse crop that can deliver impressive profits for smart growers. Whether you're a commercial farmer, a smallholder, or looking to expand your market garden, choosing the right broccoli variety can make all the difference. With the right selection, you'll enjoy higher yields, premium market prices, and satisfied customers. In this guide, we'll uncover the best 5 broccoli varieties that are proven to deliver high profits, and we'll share tips on how to grow and market them for maximum success. Let's begin by understanding why variety selection matters in broccoli cultivation. Broccoli is a cool season crop, prized for its nutritional value and versatility. However, not all broccoli is created equal. Some varieties mature faster, some produce larger heads, while others are more resistant to disease or heat. The right variety can mean fewer losses, a longer harvest window, and higher quality produce, translating directly into more money in your pocket. Our first top-performing variety is Green Magic. This hybrid broccoli is a favorite among both commercial growers and market gardeners, and for good reason. Green Magic boasts uniform, medium-sized heads with tight, dense beads and a beautiful deep green color that attracts buyers at both wholesale and retail markets. What sets Green Magic apart is its adaptability. It performs exceptionally well in both spring and fall plantings, tolerating a range of temperatures and resisting bolting even in warmer conditions. Its early maturity, typically around 57 days from transplant, means you can achieve a faster turnaround, allowing for multiple plantings per season. Plus, Green Magic's excellent post-harvest shelf life ensures your product stays fresh on store shelves, reducing waste and boosting profits. Next on our list is Destiny. If you're growing broccoli in warmer climates or face unpredictable weather patterns, Destiny is your go-to variety. This hybrid stands out for its superior heat tolerance, allowing you to extend your broccoli season beyond what's possible with most other types. Destiny produces attractive, smooth domed heads with medium beads and a rich green color. Farmers love its consistent yields and the fact that it maintains quality even under heat stress. With a maturity of about 65 days, it fits well into a diversified cropping schedule. For those selling to local markets, Destiny's flavor and texture win over customers, while its reliability helps you maintain a steady supply and reputation. The third variety to consider is Arcadia. This broccoli hybrid is renowned for its cold tolerance, making it an excellent choice for late fall or even winter harvesting in milder regions. Arcadia produces large, domed heads with fine beads and a deep green color. What truly sets Arcadia apart is its side shoot production. After the main head is harvested, Arcadia continues to produce multiple side shoots, giving you a second and even third harvest from each plant. This extended picking window significantly increases your total yield per acre, maximizing your return on investment. Additionally, Arcadia's resistance to several common diseases reduces the risk of crop loss, further securing your profits. At number 4, we have Belstar. This organic-friendly broccoli variety is highly sought after by growers supplying health-conscious and organic markets. Belstar combines excellent disease resistance with outstanding head quality, producing uniform, compact domes with a smooth, dense texture. It excels in both cool and warm conditions, making it suitable for multiple planting windows throughout the year. Belstar's robust plants are less susceptible to bolting, allowing for reliable harvests even during temperature fluctuations. Its adaptability, along with its certification for organic production, opens up premium pricing opportunities in niche markets, giving you an edge over conventional growers. Last but not least, we feature Imperial. This hybrid is a top choice for growers aiming for the premium fresh market. Imperial is prized for its extra-large, high-domed heads, fine bead structure, and glossy, deep green color. With a maturity of around 71 days, it's ideal for late spring through early summer production, especially in regions with mild to moderate temperatures. Imperial stands out for its exceptional holding ability in the field. Heads stay firm and marketable even if harvest is delayed, which is invaluable when labor shortages or weather delays occur. Its high yield potential and visual appeal make Imperial a consistent winner at farmers markets, grocery stores, and for wholesale buyers seeking top quality produce. To maximize your broccoli profits, it's not just about picking the right variety. Here are some smart strategies to boost your success. First, plan your planting schedule to stagger harvests and maintain a steady supply. By choosing varieties with different maturity dates and tolerance to temperature extremes, you can extend your broccoli season and capture higher prices when supply is low. Second, invest in soil health. Broccoli thrives in rich, well-drained soil with adequate organic matter. Regular soil testing and balanced fertilization ensure vigorous growth and high yields. Good soil health also supports disease resistance and improves flavor and texture, key factors buyers appreciate. Third, use integrated pest management. Broccoli can be susceptible to pests like cabbage worms and aphids. Employing crop rotation, physical barriers, and natural predators helps keep pest populations in check, reducing the need for costly chemical sprays and keeping your produce attractive to health-conscious consumers. Fourth, focus on post-harvest handling. Rapid cooling after harvest, gentle washing, and careful packaging preserve head quality and shelf life. High-quality presentation can fetch premium prices, especially in competitive markets. Finally, market smartly. Highlight the unique selling points of your chosen varieties, such as organic certification, local production, or exceptional flavor. Build relationships with local chefs, grocers, and CSA customers to create demand for your broccoli. Consider value-added products, like pre-cut florets or broccoli microgreens to further boost your profits. In summary, the best broccoli varieties for high profits: Green Magic, Destiny, Arcadia, Belstar, and Imperial each offer distinct advantages in yield, adaptability, quality, and market appeal. By selecting the right variety for your growing conditions and market needs, and by implementing smart growing and marketing practices, you can turn broccoli into a reliable source of income for your farm or garden. Broccoli is more than just a nutritious staple. It's a smart investment for those who know how to grow and market it well. Choose your varieties wisely, care for your crop, and watch your profits grow. For more tips on profitable crops and smart agriculture, stay tuned and keep growing smarter.